Welcome to another episode of the Tech Hour with Kevin and Pat. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to bring you a very special episode. We are going to be unboxing, that's right, the PlayStation 5. We managed to get our hands on one, so we're going to do the full unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that's inside the box. I guess what it includes. I'm going to set it up. We're going to do a part 2 to this video to show you how everything works and everything and the ins and outs of it. So without further ado, I know you guys are excited. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start by opening the box here. Pull this out. Very nicely packaged. Okay, so let's start by opening the box here. PlayStation sure does like their boxes. Okay. I'm just gonna tip this over. I know I'm basically dealing with gold here. Okay, so let's start with this one. So the first box that I pull out, so it has a power cable. Put that to the side. Oh, yeah. It has, I like that. Yeah, so it's the PlayStation controller. It's the, I believe it's called DualShock 5. I'm excited to see how this works. Kind of feels like an Xbox controller. It's really nice. And the USB charge cable. It is actually USB-C. That's surprising. Wow. And then just some manuals and whatnot. And then this seems to be some sort of base. Yeah, seems to be some sort of base. Yeah, we're gonna find out together exactly what that is. And of course, a HDMI. I believe, yeah, it's a high-speed HDMI. Nice. So they give you pretty much all the goodies with this. And here's the Holy Grail. Package it really, yeah. Okay, so you guys ready? We're gonna count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The PS5. That is very nice. Very nice. So I can see back there, there is an HDMI. Oh, there's an Ethernet port, 2 USBs, and yeah, that's very nice. This is the discless edition, and there's a USB and a USB-C in the front. Yeah, so again, guys, this is the discless edition, so it's the digital edition. I have a 2-year-old, so I prefer not to have discs in my house, but if at all possible. So yeah, so I got the discless edition, and yeah, and that seems to be everything inside the box. So there you have it, guys, the Sony PS5 digital edition. They retail for about $449 Canadian, I believe it is. I'm not sure what that translates to in US. And as everybody knows, there is very slim pickings in these things. I was lucky to get my hands on one for this channel. But yeah, so the next video, as I said, stay tuned for the next video. We should be posting it within the next week or so. I'm gonna take time to enjoy myself, play it for a while, and I will give you guys feedback on it. pros and cons about it, how it works, how it integrates with my smart home, that sort of thing. Because I'm sure I will find a way to integrate this thing in some way, shape, or form. So with that being said, my name is Kevin. Thanks you guys for watching, and check out our other videos.